Meaning of enormous.
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 Enormous. The word enormous means something that is extremely large in size, quantity or degree. It implies a great magnitude that goes beyond what is considered normal or average. Enormous can be used to describe physical objects like buildings, mountains, and oceans, as well as abstract concepts such as power, wealth, or influence. For example, an enormous elephant would be much larger than other elephants and stand out in comparison. Similarly, an enormous wave would be exceptionally high and powerful, dwarfing all other waves around it.